Even when we go on strike, we call out our members of strike on labor issues, but not against government. And that is a narrative that has been sold to government. And we dare say at this moment, a strong KNUT that has been present over the years has taken Kenyan education standards to the global map. The challenges that the union is going through, and these are systematic anti-labor attacks from the employer, the Teacher Service Commission, and by extension the government. We may not exonerate some arms of government also for getting involved in this arrangement, because when KNUT won a case against a number of contentious issues with the Teacher Service Commission, that is one, whether head teachers should be members of the union, the court returned that head teachers are unionizable. And that is a practice all over the world. And indeed, it is what TSC was seeking the court of law to abolish and to stop heads and administrative staff from participating in trade union activities. All teachers in this country must be promoted according to the law. If there is any procedure that TSC is interested in using, it must take it through Parliament so that it is adopted within the Code of Regulations. It cannot use shortcuts. So indeed, the career progression guidelines remain illegitimate and illegal. And a judgment that originates from Employment and Labor Relations Code must be respected. And so on TPD, the court said very clearly that TSC is not Parliament to make laws and implement within TSC.